Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. How are you all? I hope you all are staying home, staying safe at home. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing some POP crafts, like white cement craft. So, this is the first time I will be trying this kind of craft. So, I made a few mistakes, obviously, in the process, and I'll be sharing all those mistakes with you all. So one DIY which I have not planned came out the best, and one DIY which I have planned, like the first DIY which I tried for this craft was little bit of a flop. I didn't know what to do with that in between. So I will need your all help in that. So yeah, watch this video till the end to see what I did with the flop DIY and what help I need from you all. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started with this video. Yay! I got this hobby plaster box from a store called Flying Tiger in Dublin. I bought this like around 6-7 months back, and I'm following all the instructions mentioned with the pamphlet in the box. So as per the instructions, we need to keep 1:2 ratio for water and plaster powder. So here that is what I'm doing here. Whatever cups, spoons and bowls I'm using in this video, I will not use them again in my kitchen. मैं उसको अलग से इसी type के craft के लिए रखूँगी. Now following the instructions, I'm pouring in the water first and then I'll put the plaster slowly using the spoon. As this was my first time trying this craft, तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा batter नहीं बनाया at one go because I don't know कितना जल्दी ये dry हो जाता. So yeah, do it slowly and gradually if you are doing it for the first time. After mixing it nicely, I'm using this rose shaped mold tray. So it is a silicone material, so it won't stick to the mold. As per the instruction, it takes around 2 to 48 hours to dry completely. तो मैंने सोचा था कि 1 घंटे बाद जब ये थोड़ा थोड़ा ड्राई हो जाएगा, मैं इसको मोल्ड में से निकाल दूंगी and इसमें एक वायर इंसर्ट करूंगी to make it as a photo holder. But वैसा हुआ नहीं, obviously. You will be able to see as the video progresses. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक U-pin को as a photo holder की तरह यूज़ करने के लिए फोल्ड कर रही थी. But at this point when I was taking it out, I was quite sure कि इसमें घुसने वाला नहीं है. It was looking quite dry, but still I tried. But नहीं हुआ. So yeah, if you have any idea what we can do with this rose craft, please let me know in the comment section below. We can obviously use it as a paperweight. So I left this rose thing as it is for a couple of days, and after that मैंने new batter बनाया and then I tried new crafts using this plaster. But they look so cute. Let me know your ideas, guys, please. For my next idea, I'm using this silicone pendant mold tray and then I'm pouring in some glitter. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही डाल दिया. You don't want to add that much glitter. बिकॉज मैं फर्स्ट टाइम कर रही थी तो मुझे पता नहीं था, तो थोड़ा सा डालने से हो जाएगा. Now I'm adding this mixture on top of the glitter. तो काफ़ी ग्लिटर्स चिपक जाते हैं, बट मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ऐड कर दिए थे तो ऊपर से वो थोड़े बहुत निकल जाते हैं जब सूख जाता है. उसके बाद slowly pour in the batter and then we'll let it dry. So then I'm adding more batter to different molds, and this one was the pendant which I did not plan at all. मुझे जो मिला मेरे बॉक्स में, जो हाथ में आया, मैंने बस वो डालती गई. आपने देख ही लिया होगा स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो में कि ये सबसे अच्छा पेंडेंट बना था. For my last pendant, I'm pouring in the batter and then I'll add some acrylic paint to just give it little bit kind of a marbling effect. Now keep this aside for drying, and then in the remaining mixture I added some pink acrylic paint and mix it well to give it a slight pinkish tint. और फिर मैंने और ऐड किया और उसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स किया टू गेट द मार्बल इफेक्ट ऑफ पिंक कलर. नाउ आई हैव दिस 2 प्लास्टिक लिड्स जिसमें मैं पोर करूँगी बाकी का बैटर. बट आई वुड रिकमेंड कि आप प्लास्टिक लिड को पहले या तो वैसलीन से कोट कर दो या कुकिंग स्प्रे से, समथिंग लाइक दैट, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्ट हुई थी इनको बाहर निकालने में. बाय द वे आई एम मेकिंग कोस्टर्स आउट ऑफ दिस प्लास्टिक लिड्स. Now I'll keep all my precious pieces aside to dry completely for at least 48 hours. It's time to take out the pendants from the molds. This is what this circular one looks like, the glitter one, and thoda bahut glitter to niklega hi. And yeah, my favorite one. इसमें से कुछ नहीं निकल रहा. All of these items stuck so nicely on the plaster. Now I'm taking out another glitter pendant, and I'll brush off all the excess glitter on the pendant. और फिर we will add a sealer on this to make sure बाकी का glitter ना निकले. Now it's time to take out the coasters. It was a little bit hard than other things to take it off, but it came out finally after some cuts and hard work. So now I'm removing all the excess glitters from the pendant and cleaning up the surface, and then I'll sand slightly from the edges of the pendants to make the edges even. And after all the sanding is done, I'll be using this Sculpey Gloss Glaze, which we use on polymer clay pendants. But this is the magical ingredient, guys. It will seal all the paint, all the glitter, and will give a beautiful shine on the pendants. I'm also adding few glitters on top of this and then adding more glaze on it. Be generous with the glaze, especially on the glitter ones, because we want to seal all the glitter particles in it. Also, we want to apply the glaze generously on the sides of the pendant. I'm going to do this on all my pendants and let them dry for at least 24 hours. You can also apply gloss Mod Podge instead of glaze if you have Mod Podge in hand. Done with the pendants, now I'm adding this acrylic glitter liner on top of my coasters. This will seal the coasters as well as they will give some beautiful shine on it. So do whatever feels good to you. Now let all this dry completely for at least 24 hours. And now let me take you all to the rose crafting. So I painted both of them normally, like nothing fancy, and I had this wooden plate in hand, तो मैंने उसको tape किया with this thin washi tape, and then I'm sanding this blobs of colors to make the surface even. After all the sanding is done, I'll add some shades of blue on one side and some shades of pink on the other side. After days of thinking, मुझे बस एक यही idea समझ आया to use the rose craft as a decor piece. But this is not permanent. I have not stick the rose craft on this permanently. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any better idea. So here I am placing the pink rose on the blue side and the blue rose on the pink side, and then I'll place a beautiful candle in between and make it as a home decor. I like it this way, but I really want to know if you guys can come up with some better ideas. I know you can, so please share that in the comment section below. And yeah, here comes the end of this long video of learning and experimenting and trying out new arts and crafts. And now let's move on to the B-roll of all final products. So this is the video. I hope you all liked it. I will be trying more white cement crafts in future because I love the craft. It is so fun to see the outcome of it. Let me know in the comment section below what idea you have for me to use that rose craft thing, and also your thoughts on this video. And subscribe if you haven't already, because 90% of you watching my video are not subscribed yet. So please subscribe, it's free. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye. Love being creative.